I gonna have maybe more 5 minutes to talk about this part. So the MATLAB program that I just showed to you actually is the program that follow this robot structure, the PA10 robot. And the degree of freedom that we use are 6 degrees of freedom, 6 degrees of freedom. And we have this table of the DH parameter, and we compose the homogeneous transform metric of each joint. And I manually obtain the closed form solution. I manually obtain the closed form solution that relate the 6 frame to the 0 frame. But it's gonna be something super complicated when I get that. I begin from like pair 2 of these, and then finally this one should be the last one that we need to find the product of this. But normally you can make the product of the metric from the first to the second and to the third to the fourth until the 6th one. But I do it analytically in this way because in the inverse kinematic, sometimes I need this results. Sometimes I need this results in the inverse kinematic. So I derive it in this way for this complicated robot. And this one shows the solution for inverse kinematic of the 6 degree of freedom robot. And the MATLAB code that I just showed to you, we obtain the theta 6 first, then we obtain the theta 4, the theta 2, theta 3, until the last one we get the theta 5. The solution here is used to code that MATLAB is the source file, I mean the derivation file, to have that analytical solution shown in the MATLAB. But in our class, maybe the 6 degree of freedom gonna be too complicated. So maybe for you in this class, maybe just try to understand the 4 degree of freedom. Just try to understand the 4 degree of freedom. I hope you enjoy the lecture in the YouTube. I mean, I don't think we have any other lecturer who teach this in Thailand. This slide, I think I'm unique for this part. So I hope you understand it in the YouTube video. And if you have any question, we can discuss in next week. So this is gonna be the format of our class. I mean, it depends on your pace to study, but I don't want you to force you to understand everything in the class time. So I prepare the material for you and you perform your self-study. By the way, we have the time to meet in the class and you are free to ask any question relating to the class material.